Hey guys, Blake here from modelcars.ca on Instagram. I just received this great package in the mail from Splash Paints, so I thought it would be cool to reveal it on camera and show you guys everything that's in here. Now, of course, we will be looking at some paint, but there is another special surprise in the box. It's one of my favorite model kits and one that I've really been looking forward to building for a while now. So I hope you love this build. I'll start it as soon as I finish the Jeep. Let's take a look inside. So first, we have some awesome carbon decals. I've actually never worked with these before, but I've seen lots of you guys do it, and it's really intrigued me, so I can't wait to try these out. Of course, you can't build a hypercar without some carbon fiber. Gonna have to do some practicing with these before I go to the real build, but it should be a fun way to learn a new skill. So I'm looking forward to it. And here's the big reveal. The McLaren Senna. I actually have had a lot of requests to build this car on my page, so this is a wonderful coincidence. Huge shout out and a huge thank you to Splash Paints for sending this to me and suggesting that I build it in this wonderful cerulean blue exterior color that I'll show you in just a moment. I'm really excited to get started on this project, and I think, as always, this will be the best thing I've built so far. My goal is always to improve my skills just a little bit every time I build something, so each one is a little bit better than the last. Well, that's the hope anyway. Wish me luck with this one. Now, there are a couple of great products in here that I've used before, and I'm really excited to use again. And there are some things that are brand new to me that I've never tried before. So that's exciting as well. So let's take a look at what we have here. Now, if you watch my current build, the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, you'll notice that I did use this light gray surfacer as my primer. It worked extremely well. It covered the body, even though it was molded in bright blue plastic. I had no problems with coverage. One or two thin coats did the trick, and it came out really smooth. I didn't even have to sand it very much, probably not even at all. It was really smooth right out of the airbrush, and even for someone who's not very experienced like me, it was very easy to work with. This time I'm also going to try out some white surfacer because I really want that blue color to pop, and I think this will be the perfect bottom layer to do so. If it's anything like the gray primer, which I suspect it will be, it'll be extremely easy to use and come out nice and smooth. So it's always a pleasure to work with these products. I'd really recommend you try them out if you haven't already. Then of course we have some 2K Ultra Gloss Clear. Again, very easy to use, very smooth result. Even for someone like me who hasn't worked with this stuff a lot in the past, I got a great result that I was happy with personally, and I'm excited to improve a little bit more when I use them again on this build. I think I learned a few things that I could have done a little bit better, so I'm glad to have a second attempt at it. And now for the main attraction. Cerulean blue will be the exterior color, and I think this was an excellent choice by Splash Paints, so thank you very much for recommending it and sending it to me. As you guys know, I'm usually pretty boring with my builds. I'll do a silver or a gray, but this is really going to get me outside of my comfort zone, and I think it's going to be a fantastic result. Something that I probably wouldn't have thought of, so I'm really excited for this collaboration. And again, if you haven't tried Splash Paints, it's really cool. Tons of colors. Now, I won't spoil the surprise too much with these. I'll reveal them as I go in photo and in video, but I'm going to be doing a titanium exhaust with that heat effect that I've seen so many of you talented builders do, and these colors are going to help me achieve that. So wish me luck, because this will be the first time I've ever tried it, but I'm going to be taking a look at some of your builds and getting inspiration and hopefully learning a few tips and tricks before I try it out myself. And so there you have it. The McLaren Senna will be my next build. Follow along with my step-by-step photos on Instagram, or if you'd like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'll try to post a few videos of this along the way, and of course a complete build video when it's done. Thanks again for your support, and thanks again to Splash Paints for sending me this awesome model kit and these awesome paint products. This was a really cool idea, and I'm really excited about it. It's going to be the coolest build yet.